Hey YouTube, this is Engineer 775 working on another video here on the homestead. We're going to be talking about multiple generators, running a diesel generator and a wood gas generator, not simultaneously, but one or the other, and what kind of switchgear would be needed to do that. This is if you have multiple generators or multiple inputs. And here is a slide of the arrangement of the switchgear required to do that, and here's a couple of videos describing it. Okay, working on our backup power system. The goal is to be able to run off-grid off of a couple different sources, one being a diesel generator and the other being a wood gas generator. The diesel generator I've had running 5-6 days at a time straight, and but I want to be able to run the wood gas generator in batches of time. So I'm adding another piece of switchgear to this. I have the grid coming in here, 320 amp service, RONC 200 amp transfer switch, and then some sub panels. Behind this RONC is the panel for the barn here, and then I subfeed this. This one line goes to the house, and then this outer line goes to the RV pad. And I'm going to add another box in here, believe it or not, where I'm going to be hooking this generator line into the other piece of switchgear, and then the wood gas generator will hook into that switchgear. I have well, you've just seen the drawing of it on PowerPoint, I hope. We'll be adding that box. Let me go get a picture of that box. Okay, there's the piece of switchgear I was looking for. It is a Siemens heavy-duty double-throw safety switch, 100 amp, 240. And you can see the switch on it, where it's like I can go. This is going to be hooked to the wood gas generator, and then I'll have one hooked to the diesel generator. So looking inside here, this will be the diesel generator leads will be hooked here, and then the wood gas leads will be hooked here. So what this allows me to do, hopefully, is switch. So I can be on the grid, then my transfer switch that I showed in the previous video I can turn on or off grid. First thing I would do is fire up the generator, bring the generator up to operating temperature, and then throw that generator on the wood gas if that one was running. And say I was coming to the end of my batch of wood, which is about a 2-hour run, and I wanted to continue to run, and then I got the diesel generator going. I could then switch over to diesel and continue running, and that'll allow us to run the entire place. And that would allow me to reload the wood gas generator if I had to, run for another 2 hours, get the wood gas generator going, and then switch back to the wood gas generator, and vice versa, or any other scenario that we might run into, or just for maintenance purposes, have one generator. So should be able to, between the two transfer switches, run on off the grid on 2 generators and switch back and forth with some pretty good heavy-duty switch gear. I've got 500 feet of number 3 copper wire to begin to wire the wood gas generator into the house. It's taken a while, but we're getting there, and so hopefully soon we'll see run the entire retreat off of wood, white oak, and making electricity. Here's just some of the switch gear that will make this possible, make it safe, make it basically to code, which will be